Crop PDF files with PicoPDF. Open your PDF file, go to the Pages tab, and click the Crop Page button. Adjust the visible area by dragging the rectangle handles in the preview or by entering margin values on the right. You can choose to crop all pages or specify certain pages by entering their numbers. When you're done, click Crop to apply the changes and save your file. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to crop your PDF with PicoPDF. To crop pages, open PicoPDF and load your PDF file by clicking the Open File button or dragging the file into the application. Once your document is open, go to the Pages tab in the toolbar and click the Crop Page button. This will open the Crop Pages dialog, where you can adjust the visible area of the PDF pages. In the Crop Pages dialog, a preview is displayed on the left side, showing a rectangle that represents the visible area of the page. You can resize this rectangle by dragging its corner or side handles to define the area you want to keep. Any content outside this rectangle will be cropped out. If you prefer more precise control, you can manually adjust the crop margins on the right side of the dialog. There are fields where you can enter specific values for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. If needed, you can also change the default units by going to the Options on the Home tab. Once you've adjusted the cropping area to your liking, it's time to choose which pages to crop. In the Pages field, select All to crop every page in the document. Alternatively, choose Custom if you want to crop specific pages. Enter the desired page numbers in the text box separated by commas. To crop a range of pages, enter the starting and ending page numbers with a dash in between. After making your adjustments, click the Crop button to apply the changes to your document. Finally, don't forget to save your PDF by clicking Save or Save As to create a new file. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.